Want to outsell your competition on Walmart? Here's how to track their sales rank. Also, at the end of the video, I'll show you where to get free Walmart training. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So right here, you can literally see at the start sales rank, and you can start seeing people's sales rank. If you want to see it really quick, you just go to the analytics and then search insights board. But I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it and to see your competitor sales rank. So the first thing we're going to do is find a product, right? So right now we've got the Uno Marvel Avengers card game. And let's say we wanted to sell this product, or we just wanted to monitor it to see if it's generating sales, like how good is it doing against other Uno products. Pretty much we can determine that by the sales rank. Remember, the smaller the sales rank, the better. So when you're running a race, you want to be number one. So if the sales rank is number one, that means it's number one in the entire category. All right, so what we're going to do to track the sales rank of this item is we're going to get the item ID, and you can see it's right here. We're going to copy that. We're going to go into seller.walmart.com catalog. We're going to click add items. Once we're here, we're going to put in that item ID. We're going to click search. And then we're going to add the product. Since it's already in Walmart, it's going to be very easy to add the product. Just click add and then fill in the details. Once it's added, you're going to wait around 72 hours. Just make sure it's in your actual catalog. Make sure it's showing up here. Once it's showing up here, simply going to go to analytics, then search insights. You're going to type in that item ID, and now we can see details about the sales rank. So right now we can see the sales rank is improving, right? The impressions are still low. The clicks are still low. The add to cart is still low. To improve the add to cart, we can probably add more pictures, add videos. The clicks, what we can do to get more clicks and more impressions is most likely running Walmart advertising, Walmart PPC. Right, and we've got the product type. So number 767, right? A lower number indicates a higher comparative rank. So again, the lower the better. So now we're going to click on this, and it's going to tell us more data, right? So we've got more data right here. We can see the category path this time, the listing quality score. The listing quality score can now be improved to maybe 95% or 100%. That's going to help it generate more sales as well. And then we got top search queries for this item, so we can see what keywords it's ranking for. Marvel cards, Avengers game, Marvel games. And then there's also a search performance impact. Track your item's performance for the following 2 weeks after taking a recommendation. So this might be here if it has more traffic, we can see it. But we can see the sales rank, how it's been in. Oh, so you can see it's going down, it's getting worse, and going up means it's getting better. So right now, it looks like it's generating more sales compared to the previous days. Since we're in March and February, it wasn't generating as much sales. The sales rank got a lot worse, and now it's getting a lot better. Now we can refine it to the last 90 days. And we can see the sales rank in December obviously was really good, and then we can see how it kind of went down, but now it's going back up. So it looks like we're getting back, and this may be a good product to sell. Now what we can do is we can add like maybe the regular Uno game. So we can just type in regular Uno and then compare the regular Uno sales rank to this sales rank to see how is it doing, right? So maybe we can do NFL Uno Elite or Monopoly Uno or Minecraft Uno and see what their sales rank is compared to ours, just to see if it's worth it selling this product, right? Again, the lower the sales rank, the better. All right, and for staying towards the end of the video, of course, I'm going to be showing you where to get free Walmart training. So all you have to do is just type in free Walmart seller training into Google. And then Walmart has its own free training. It's marketplacelearn.walmart.com/academy. It's going to take you here, and then you can see Explore Seller Academy. Now, this is something that everybody at our company goes through, but this is just basic training. Once you learn more, you can make your own advanced training. That's what we do. But this is a great base that you should know everything from this, right? So they even have advertising, campaigns, performance, order management, WFS, all the basics here. So go through this, and it's going to help you become better. But that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on what you're going to do to improve your Walmart sales rank. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our #1 services is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, creating listings, making sure you're generating sales, advertising management, all of that just for your Walmart account. The benefit of the service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Let us do it for you and help you increase sales so you can save money, time, and work with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.